All right, lift together now. Clear the way, coming through.
The micron count on this batch is slightly higher than the threshold.
Let's confirm the fiber length under the scope.
We need to increase the airflow here. All right, I'll adjust the controls now.
It's close, but the tone is off on the crimson.
I see it too. Make a note and grab the sapphire.
We used a high-density weave here, giving it this incredible texture.
How does that affect the lead time for mass production?
We've
That should do it, nice and smooth. Good to go for the next shift.
This section is showing inconsistent pile height. Make a note to check the shearing blades before the next run.
Got it. Shearing blades.
The weave consistency here is excellent.
Yes, the durability seems high. Check this section.
Measure from this point to the edge. We need precision on the border alignment.
Looks good, right on the mark.
Confirm. The texture is excellent as well.
This certificate goes here, right next to the care instructions.
Perfect. Once the tag is through, it's ready for the next stage.
Dale un poco más hacia el fondo, con cuidado. Sí, patrón, ya está en posición. Okay, bring it back another 2 feet. Watch the left side.
we can offer a significant discount for the volume you're requesting.
That meets our target price. We'll take 50 rolls of the serape style.
And just like that, the entire room is refurnished. You can walk right up and inspect the fibers.
Let's bring up the exposure slightly on the left side, right there. We need the texture to really pop for the catalog.
Got it. Flashing now.
We utilize only the finest grade wool, ensuring durability for high traffic areas.
Can your capacity handle?
We've invested heavily in automation, which allows us to maintain this level of detail across large orders.
As you can see, these looms ensure the highest quality. We use a specialized nylon blend for the threads.
What about durability?
It significantly increases the lifespan.
It's nice having this space to relax here.
Oh, definitely. Beats eating at the desk. Much better. Keep the tension even across the warp. That ensures the quality.
Loop it under, like this, then use the comb to secure the knot tightly. Now you try the next one.
Our commitment to sustainability starts right here with our closed loop system, allowing us to reuse 95% of our process water.
This iridescent blend is showing incredible durability results.
It's exactly what the design team was hoping for. We should scale this up.
As you can see, the defect rate spiked here on the 14th.
What caused that sudden drop in the quality score, Ahmed? Was it the new supplier?
Morning, Tom. Got the new batch of cyan and magenta yarn here.
All right, pull it into bay 3. We're ready for it.
Handing over now. The 403 loom jammed twice this shift. Keep an eye on the tension settings.
Got it. I'll adjust the calibration now.
If we shift the blue velvet run to line 3, we can fit the new order in.
That aligns with the current inventory levels. Let's update the board.
Department heads, ensure continuous flow on the looms. This order ships tonight.
This machine weaves thousands of threads every minute to create these intricate patterns.
Wow, how long does one carpet take to make?
146 years of weaving history, innovation, and community. Thank you all for being the vibrant threads of our success. Here's to many more.
This new layout increases our loom capacity by 20%.
And the timeline for the International Distribution Center is still on track for Q4.
Quality carpets made with pride.